it's your girl Chef Janae and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're gonna be switching it up a bit, you know what I'm saying? Cause this week and last week of work was crazy. Okay, I am tired. It's been hella busy. I don't know why people are outside knowing everything that's going on outside. Everybody's still coming the fuck outside though. And I'm just tired. Work has been and I'm just wanting to do something different this week. So we're gonna switch it up. Y'all gonna switch it up with me. It's okay. We'll be back to cooking and doing our demos next week. Don't worry, you know what I mean? But this week we're gonna be doing one of my hobbies, one of my newfound hobbies. I just started really doing this when we were in quarantine, actually, and I was in the house. I started doing this and planting and gardening, and I really love it. You know what I'm saying? I have my own herbs. I'm trying to grow my own tomatoes. It has been a little bit of a struggle, you know what I mean? But I'm definitely just still willing to be patient and see how it works. Living out here in Las Vegas, it's a little difficult to, you know, grow, you know what I mean, and like get all of that you're trying to get out of it, you know what I'm saying? Especially with me trying to do it in the house, you know, because I don't have no big ass, you know, I got an apartment, I ain't got no big ass house or nothing like that. I don't have no backyard. I got a balcony though, you know what I mean? I got a little balcony. It's real cute, you know what I'm saying? But you know, it's very hot out here. It's very dry, you know what I mean? So when I tried doing things with my plants, I have had some, you know, incidents, you know what I'm saying? Trying to, you know, learn and things like that. But, you know, as long as, you know, you all are willing to help me, if anybody's watching, you know, has any tips or anything like that for growing, especially out here in Las Vegas, please comment that shit down below because your girl needs some motherfucking help. You know what I'm saying? I can only, you know, do so much. I'm definitely willing to try, take all the information that I can, you know what I'm saying? But if y'all want to come with me, you know, we're going to plan, we're going to chill. I'm going to sip my gin and Red Bull, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to plant, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, watch, you know, smoke your plant. I'm going to be smoking my plant. You know what I mean? Have a good time with me. See you later.
It's just different.
All right, y'all, so we back home. Right now, y'all looking at my tomato plant. She's a little dry, and I need to water her. I also want to clip her down. I just had her outside. She really needs some love. I end up scorching her. Yeah, I'm just going to cut her off today. We're just going to get that going because I want to get something out of it, and I hope I do. So anybody has any pointers, you know, help me out. Let me know what I can do or try, please. Pretty please. I want to make sure I get some tomatoes. And over here we have our parsley, and I have my cilantro. I also have basil and mint, and I also have my succulent plant over here as well. Those beautiful leaves, they're so pretty. But yeah, you know, these are what we're going to be working on today. I also got my other plants we're going to be putting together, you know what I mean? So, you know, sit back, relax, and chill with me, you know what I mean? I'm just going to be repotting things and rewatering and setting up.